Am I the only one in the room that uses voice to text? In other words, do you open up your Google, push the microphone, ask it to do things for you?
Sometimes I do.
Really, Sam?
Because I have certain friends who do that.
Yes.
And it's like, oh, wow, that's cool. And so the times I go to do it, it works, but then I don't think next time it's like, I'll just use my thumb.
I am way too impatient to type. I can't, my thumbs are all over the place. The problem with it is still not perfect, which drives me a little nutty because voice to text has been around for the better part of 12 years maybe now?
Not perfect as in it
says
the wrong words.
It does the wrong words. This is one that I was dictating while I was not looking at the phone, and I'm glad I didn't hit send. It was actually an email. Mm-hmm. And so, excuse me, it's one of our coworkers in legal. Her name is Jackie.
Oh,
right. And so, it's like, good morning, Jackie. And then I, finished the email with a couple of questions that I had. When I went back and looked, the opening line said, "Good morning, sexy."
Yeah. Yes.
And so I didn't, obviously it's like, I got to change this.
Right.
This is somebody that works in our legal department.
Yeah. Last people you want on, yeah.
I think the biggest rule of voicing anything is you got to double check before you hit send. And isn't that the rule anyway? You read anything before you hit
it's
send.
Not even just voice. Yeah. It's texting too.
You have to stop before you hit
I
send.
know. And I find myself realizing too, just because you can do something doesn't mean you should,
I can't believe you just said that.
I know.
That's a long way for you, Murph. Love it.
Love it, sexy.